Hello there, Firewood friends. It's Mike with K&L Firewood. And today, we're going to try to dump 2 of those into that. You've seen Brad at Firewood at the Furnace, and you've seen Jake over at Dude Ranch do it. It's harder than it looks. I've done it, but not on camera. This is the first time on camera. And it's super windy here. Has been for like 2 days. Yesterday, 40 and 50 mile an hour winds. Today it's like 20 and still almost unrecordable. So here we go. And be sure to watch to the end of the video because I have a huge announcement. Huge, huge, huge. This one's super difficult because it's got the wooden pallet on the bottom. I don't like these very well. Now what's going to happen is I'll probably break this pallet trying to get it out of here. Yeah, just like I thought. It's alright, I don't like these pallet ones anyway. See what I mean? It's a little more difficult than it looks. And I've tried the ratchet strap method. I spend more time jacking around with those ratchets than I do loading firewood, so I got rid of that method pretty quick. What's here? 10 pieces. It fell out. Big deal. 10 pieces. The delivery is loaded. We've got some big things to talk about today. I'm standing over here by this walnut pile that you guys have seen in some other videos. Lots of comments saying, hey, those are worth more in lumber than they are in firewood. So there's a local lumberyard, sawmill here in town, 4 generations. It's been there forever. I contacted them and had them come out and take a look at these walnut logs. They quoted me anywhere between 45 cents and 70 cents a board foot, as long as they were 12 inches in bigger in diameter between the bark on the small end and at least 7 foot long. And I thought, you know what, that's probably not worth it. I'll just make firewood out of it and move on. Well, the guy that I just sold the firewood to, you saw me load up, is a timber buyer that I've known for a long time and didn't really think about contacting him about this walnut. And when I delivered it to his house, he said, yeah, I'm getting ready to have some guys come over and look at some walnut I have laid out. I said, oh, really? I said, I got some walnut at the house. I said, I wonder if it's worth anything. He said, well, he said, probably. He said, if it's 10 inches or bigger and 6 foot or longer, he said, probably so. I said, really? He said, yeah. He said, man, they're paying anywhere between $2 and $15 a board foot for veneer stuff. I said, all right, well, why don't you come back by the house and take a look, and just to make sure I'm not barking up the wrong tree. So he comes out and looks, and he says, yeah, man, you've got a pile here that's probably worth some money. So we ought to have those guys come out and take a look. So just for reference, let me show you something. Now, I wear a size 12 shoe. All right, so that's bigger. That's quite a bit bigger than 12 inches. And you can see the sun doesn't wash it out. I got a bunch here that size. So yeah, I don't know. I don't have a check in my hand yet, so I don't know what this is worth, but I'm gonna lay them out the next couple of days so the timber buyer can come by and look at them and scale them up and give us a price. But even if it were $2 a board foot, that's still a bunch more than 70 cents a board foot on the high end of the other guy. He was like 45 cents a board foot, most of it. And here's what else I've been doing since I've not been posting too many videos. I've been splitting some wood like crazy. I got some oak there, some mixed hardwoods there. I've got cherry here. Cherry. I don't know, 5 baskets of cherry, a couple mixed baskets. I've got some bundle grade cherry here, bundle grade cherry there. This is all bundle grade that's been here for a while. I've got the table loaded up with mostly hackberry. I've gone and got some pallets. What I think I'm going to do with all these white bladders is cut them in half and start using them for cookies. I think that's the smartest thing to do. I've done that over here with these, and they seem to work pretty good. So I'm just going to affix them to some pallets and start using those for my boiler wood. But here's another pile of walnut. Now these are smaller, but there's some in there that are 10 inches and bigger. So they're gonna come out too. So time for the huge announcement. If you like firewood, and you like chainsaws, and you like log splitters, and you like giving back, there's going to be a Hoosier Firewood Hysteria, May 6th, 2023. More details to come, but save the date, and you are invited. Yes, you. I'm talking to you. You are invited. So until next time, keep that date saved on your calendar. I'll give you more details as it comes. Until then, get busy, because this stuff will not split itself.